how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Metamask. So first, you just have to log in to your Bitget. If you don't have an account yet, then you have to sign up and then log in. Now, what you're going to do here is go to the upper right corner or top right corner and look for this wallet icon right here. Then you have to locate the withdraw option. So the withdraw option is next to deposit. So let me click this wallet again and tap withdraw. And then after you tap this withdraw, it will take you directly to another page. And then here, what you're going to do next is to simply select a coin and then copy and paste the address of this withdraw to. For coin here, what you're going to do is to look for USDT. Okay, tap this one and then withdraw to. Now this time, what we're going to do next is we're going to open our MetaMask account. So open your MetaMask account and then here you have to copy your link address or copy your address. So this time we're going to use this Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so how are we going to copy our address? All we have to do is to click this copy icon right here. Okay, tap this one. And then after that, you have to go back to your Bitget and then paste the address right here. But before that, you have to select first, okay? Select a network and make sure that this one is Ethereum or ERC20. Paste the address right here, click next. Now, one thing for you to be able to proceed is you have to turn on your two-factor authentication. So it's either you need to verify your phone number and then you have to verify or add some passkey or Google Authenticator. So for me, I have to add my phone number in order for me to get verified here and I can proceed with this transaction. So after I verified my number, then I can now enter the amount that I want to withdraw, but you have to make sure that you have enough balance for this. And then after that, click withdraw. And that's how easy it is to transfer USDT from Bitget to MetaMask. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.